How large do you think your liver is? If you've pictured it as the size of a golf ball or a grapefruit, think again. In an adult male, the liver is actually about the size of a football. Nestled snugly beneath your ribs on the right side, the liver tips the scales at a hefty 3 pounds on average, making it the second largest organ in the body, surpassed only by the skin. This wedge-shaped, red-brown organ with a texture that would feel rubbery to the touch is a powerhouse of activity. At any given moment, it holds 10% of your body's blood, filtering it at an impressive rate of about 1.4 liters per minute. And that's just the start. The liver is a multitasking marvel, performing over 500 different functions. Now, consider the food we consume. Ever wondered how that delicious slice of bread or that tasty potato provides us energy? The answer lies within our liver. The carbohydrates present in these foods are broken down into glucose by the liver. This glucose is then stored in the liver as glycogen, and in a glucose crisis, the liver swiftly converts its glycogen stores back into glucose, ready for our body's use. But the liver's role extends beyond glucose regulation. It acts as a filter, expelling toxins such as alcohol from our blood. It's a warrior, battling infection by housing over half of the body's macrophages, white blood cells that eliminate harmful bacteria and other foreign entities from our bloodstream. It's a cleaner, breaking down and removing old cells. It's a producer, manufacturing the proteins required for blood clotting, and it's a storage unit, keeping a supply of various vitamins and minerals. Unlike other organs like the heart, lungs, and kidneys, science has not yet been able to replicate the multitude of functions performed by the liver through artificial means. So, it's safe to say that taking care of our liver is of utmost importance. Moving on to a less pleasant aspect of the liver, bile. That's right, the yellow-brown fluid that's expelled during a bad case of stomach bug or a severe hangover. The liver of an adult human produces up to a liter of bile every day. While it's not the most pleasant substance to encounter outside the body, it plays a crucial role within the body in breaking down and absorbing fats. After a meal, bile formed in the liver and collected in small ducts travels to the main bile duct and is then discharged into the duodenum of the small intestine. It functions by emulsifying fat molecules, preventing them from re-aggregating into large clumps. This dispersion of fat molecules creates an increased surface area for quicker absorption by the gut. So, the next time you think of your liver, remember it's not just an organ. It's a multitasking powerhouse, a vital energy converter, a reliable filter, a relentless warrior, a meticulous cleaner, a diligent producer, and an efficient storage unit. It's the unsung hero of our body, tirelessly performing myriad functions to keep us healthy and energized. It's about time we gave it the recognition and care it deserves.